Nigerian man based in Europe has been chased out of his home by his Oyibo wife, all because he refused to cook. Davido personal lawyer, popular known as Bobo, has unfollowed his wife on Instagram, reason yet unknown. Bobrisky godson, popular known as James Brown, has attacked Bobrisky again, all because of Burna Boy and Wizkid Grammy Award. Olori Chioma has opened up about her marriage to Alaafin of Oyo. Hello my correct people, you are welcome back again to my channel. Yes, so I'm back again with another ogbonge gist. My name na Lady G. In case today na your first time when you dey come across my channel and you never subscribe, I beg make you not forget to subscribe anytime when you don't watch this video finish, so that anytime when I drop ogbonge gist like this, you know if you dey miss am. Yes, my correct people, this video dey when just dey fly up and down now. Recently now just dey go viral about this particular man when una wan dey watch, so I go drop the video for una make una see am. Una will hear where they take him out the talk. According to Ram, he talk say na Europe na in base, but the part of Europe where in base we don't know. But we know say na Europe na in day, na this thing dey happen, because I see the background. I know say na abroad, because na me myself I dey. According to Ram, he say he don't dey with this Oyibo woman for the past 5 months, all because of paper level. Una know say without paper or what they call a document, you know they work for this side at all, for especially for the men. He talk say, according to Rana, because say he no fit cook one day when he don't tire. The woman not take am easy. He come tell am say this place no will contain me and unite the woman pursue am for outside the control way oil load. Anyway, shall go drop the video for now. Make una self first listen to wetin him talk with him mouth. Then before I will come again, come tell now how me I see and wetin me I sabi for inside the whole matter. Make I drop the video for now.
This guy where they here since the morning sef, when I been see when I dey go work. Oh boy, what did they here they do now? I see you here in the morning time when I dey go work. Now they come back, you see they here. What happen?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, talk. I no get time. I dey go somewhere talk.
Bro, na my woman na pursue me from here. Na my girl na pursue me from house. I get why she police there.
What happen now? Why she pursue you come out? What happen?
And a long story. I just came back yesterday. So, you know, I was the one who is preparing food for her house. So I was tired. So I couldn't prepare food the way we were supposed to eat. So when she come back from work, she asked me why didn't I prepare food that I was supposed to eat. I told her that I'm very tired, that she can help me and prepare it. She just got angry and threw all my bags and asked me to leave the house. When I was driving, what did I do? She called the police. So, you know, I don't know what I did that made the woman to be angry with me, that she threw everything, all my properties outside. She said that I should not place there.
Oh, but sorry. But how come she can't throw you outside the house? What of your properties now? Where you keep your properties? Your clothes, your bags, them?
I put it under the staircase. I don't know whether the thing will still remain there.
The staircase in the house?
Yes.
Now, are you sure you go still meet those of your things? They go don't throw them into the dustbin now.
I don't know.
What you come under the what is inside this nylon? Now your food?
My food where somebody touched me this morning. I couldn't eat it because I have not even brushed my teeth. Nothing. No, this white leg, and I have been suffering. I have been suffering since I got the woman. It's because of the paper issue.
You not marry legally?
We never married legally.
Okay, the one not in process.
Just in process.
You know, you see the area where they know say this place they dirty. You may come lie down here. I see in the morning when they go work. Now they come back and you see they here, oh boy. And cold weather be this.
I tell you, I'm suffering here. It's because of paper. Because of paper, that's why you see me that living with the woman. And again, there's no work here. No.
I wonder. Huh? See a person lie down since morning. For how long you and this woman don't stay?
Yeah, we don't stay about 5 months now.
5 months?
5 months, yes.
But tell me true, what you make the woman? You know certify for house, I been na marriage level. What happen now?
Bros, I will try my best now.
You try your best for the both sides.
I will try my best for both sides. I will try my best for them. I will try my best to make sure that the woman is satisfied. I don't know.
I wonder. I pity for you. Make I go see wetin I go fit do for you. Make I go see wetin I go fit do for you. Okay, if I go get something for see where person sleep since last night. Maybe she no satisfy the woman. She just dey wash the woman, wash like say who knows wetin be the problem.
So my correct people, I don't listen to that video. I don't know what I think, what I see for inside, in the sense that a lot of people they complain saying if to say na African woman now, you see this man go dey flex in Moscow, if to say na African woman do this one, na internet sef for don catch fire. My people now know why they talk, because now inside the obodo ibo na me I tanda for inside, and I don't dey here for years. I dey see many things when this our African men, when they take our African women, they see not be small. That culture when they sabi for house, if they display am for here today, you go dey even dey wonder how they take cross enter abroad. My correct people. So I believe say now that same thing, now this man now want dey flex on top of this oyibo woman body, because I say they believe say that video and not be everything, not being talk for there. So my correct people, I want make una self talk am, how una see am, what una think. Make una just drop una own comment below at the comment section. I go leave una for here, make una self just drop una own here. Make I for bounce to the next one. Yes, my correct people, this particular one I want talk so now about Davido personal lawyer when they call Bobo. Una if now they see this face now not be new thing. Now go they see and say this face anywhere when you see Davido, you go see this face. In short, everybody knows say Davido they Atlanta now for America. This same guy they with him. So the thing we can't they stop now be say we can't they see him for everywhere. Now say make I still share him for now. Make una self still see him. Make una self still talk on how una see him. Say this Bobo now he's married to this beautiful wife. Una they see so. And as I dey hear now say the marriage self, he never even reached 2 years. Me myself, I don't even know say he don't marry a married man, because now recently now can they find out saying a married man, because why are they talking? Because say anywhere when you see Davido and you go see this lawyer say now wow. Now which kind follow lawyer be this? Why it can't be say now anywhere when you see Davido now you go see this lawyer. The client when he gets now only Davido now be the single client when he gets. I be no get other ones. My correct people. Not one person not go see for this live. So it can't be like say now this follow when they follow Davido, now it be like say this is wife now. No, as a young couple now it be like say no even they see the man like that again, because if Davido come out for house for 100 days, now they say 100 days himself go come out. This lawyer, you know, so I don't first make video when consign this thing. He follow this Davido sote, even follow and reach the place when he say they even do the Shoma introduction. I will consider even to hear some information say Davido and this Shoma self when he no marry, say this lawyer hand self say he dey inside, say he hand no claim for inside, because now in the advise Davido anything when Davido won't do now this lawyer now they tell him. I say man I see one kind of bonge lawyer now, which kind follow lawyer be this, my correct people. So my correct people, if you not see him, they say they get there for house now, but they still nobody say they don't share Gary, but they know they follow each other again. That means definitely things know they go well. Things know they go well. So why they bring a come out? Because I think they follow Davido, automatically don't become celebrity. So anything when it consign the whole public will know. And if they not drop and we ourselves, we not go know. Now we they do am above for inside. So now the way I taste and so I take bring her for now. So my people make ourselves still see and say now which kind of lawyer be this one be say. If they follow up and down, apart from that one, maybe the woman don't they see him again, maybe the woman don't they tire, maybe now they cause begin and when make they come they unfollow each other. Anyway, to tell now the truth, me I don't know who they unfollow each other for Instagram. You know, when they see all this news when they don't post and I will they see them say person go just unfollow somebody just now person go know me. I don't know how they know. That means say that they follow all these people 24 hours. They know whether they say they follow each other. I don't know my correct people. Now the way I take see them now, so I take bring her for now. So make una self just shook mark to more than go now for the comment section how una see them. So my correct people, I go leave una for here. Make I bounce to the other side. So this particular one I want to talk, so anything go consign Bobrisky, and he got someone they call James Obialo, which is BJ's brand. This is video when he come out, so when he come they roll mat up and down, they throw mat, go give Bobrisky up and down, in the sense that not be the first time when we don't see him, they do him every time. And I don't know what he make and they don't, whether if they want to can get attention, because it can't be like saying Bobrisky self, now all of them say they shine. Without Bobrisky, they don't mention Bobrisky name. Most of all this agege men, agege boys when you for everywhere. When I say agege, I don't understand. Now that is man when they do like woman and So if they don't mention Bobrisky name, it be like say the thing not they work for them So this particular video they come now when they throw, in the sense that because we know say some days now in Burna Boy don't win this Grammy, can't carry the thing come house, can't carry a come Bodo Nigeria. Everybody come they hail him As everybody they hail and they show congratulations message, which is Burna Boy and Wizkid Like this James Obialo, which is this Bobrisky godson, Abi Pikin. He can't still carry on put for his I can't say make una see Labalaba when they call himself leke. My correct people, I go drop the video for now. Make una self listen to wetin take him out talk, before I will come back again, come talk the one way I know finish. So make I drop the video for now. Make una listen by una self.
Whiskey and Burna Boy went Grammy. Yes, dollar. Ah! The one time I met Whiskey, they were telling me, James, don't give up. James, I believe in you. Stuff like just one time thing, yeah. But I said I'm a drag queen. So it doesn't matter. You can be known around the world. I kind of look up to Whiskey and Burna Boy. Not like some people, some Ojuaye people that block me. Oh, sorry. Oh, no, very soon I will collect Grammy, the most drag queen Grammy. I won't lose she. Tough for our fans. Our fans is love. The love is real, not money love. Real love, because I want to see one threatened by my content, my glory. Oh, come on, oh, do one.
Hey, Oturugbeke, now what? Hey, wonder shall never end. Grammy don't suffer. So James Sef go carry Grammy come Nigeria. Which kind Grammy go come be that? Now get Grammy. My correct people, I don't know. How una think am? Make una self just think am. Make una drop una own comment below at the comment section. My correct people, this thing weak me. As it weak una, na so it weak me. Make I leave this one above for one side. Make I carry my own go the other side. Make I bounce to the other side. Yes, this one I want to talk so and I about Shoma. When I don't say Shoma, not be Shoma, my love. My people, make una don't think and go that side. Now I don't say na two Shoma na authentic one I will get for Nigeria now. One are the one of Alafin. And the other one are for Davido. So now the one of Alafin and I will they talk. Una know say the gist don't dey for ground for some days now. We can't hear say and I be the 13th wife of this Alafin. Say he even dump his husband that be his fiance for 82 years old man, which is a girl of late 20s. Many people come they wonder, internet come they shake. Say this thing that they call fame, this thing that they call money, the thing don't cover many people eyes so they know they see road again. As the news come they fly up and down, me myself, I don't do plenty video when it concern this thing. In case you never watch them, if you go through my channel now, you go see where the whole matter start from. Hey, this Shoma Nana don't come out, or she don't talk saying all these things when people they talk, say now the people they read down for news. As they hear the news say Shoma don't marry to Alafin of Oyo. This is 82 years old man. Say now so she herself take here. Say no be she. Say la 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 la. Say everything people they talk. Say now so say no be she. She not get hand for inside. She not even talk. Say she not marry. She say no be she be the real Shoma. The way me I tell read the news. My people I say they put some things for them. Make una dey see am. She talk say. She now true say she don't marry before abi she don't engage to this her fiancé before something like that say but really they don't share garri, they not dey gay and the matter now the thing is they where they drag am for court say make them leave am, make she suffer, they carry her matter the way the thing they pain am, make people leave her in peace. My correct people, when I hear that place say you don't even fair marry before abi you don't even fair engage at all before and they don't share garri, now dear me I know say if like say this thing when she dey talk truth not there for his side. Now true. If it be say you now when be the Shoma now, you now don't share garri without your bobo abi husband. Now you can't say now Olori when be 82 years old. Now there you won't spend the rest of your life with and I be your missy rib. Okay, if you can't be say all these things now, because sometimes when we they talk all this thing, they be like say now the bloggers now they want come they turn the things. When they don't drop the things, we blogger not go see anything talk. And before people drop all those messages, they don't they investigate, they don't they see all these things. So we now to just come analyze them. Okay, if it be say not be this Shoma and not being they marry this Alafin. Okay, who can be that Shoma when they follow Alafin up and down for inside the party? When to the extent self say because as the news take come say the musician when they sing for inside that party now he can't take Shoma name sing. Now there people can't know say he na his wife they be teaching a person when he just they follow him, you know. Now there the whole casala come boss. Now there people know say she even don't marry since last year. So who can be that Shoma when they sing? Because according to her, when she they deny say no be she be the Choma, but she not talk say she no marry Alafin. She no even talk say she don't do anything marriage. She no deny that one. She only talk say not be in you say she said surprise when you see the news. So what me I they think for here my people? I see they think say maybe the thing still fresh in with this his husband that be ex fiance. They don't share garri. He no want make people know. He no want make they bring this thing public now, because if you not see him since last year, they do the marriage with this Alaafin of Oyo, and apart from that one, they know anybody know they cover the thing. If not, be say this musician when can't take the thing sing now from there everybody can't pick him, everybody can't they look each other face. So this man now don't marry another wife, because we know say this Alaafin, most of his wife they don't run come out for palace. Hey, they say soldier go, soldier come. Then you have to take other ones to replace them. So my correct people, I don't know how now. See, I mean, I see they think say waiting she they talk truth not there for inside, because she need to explain who be that Chioma when they follow that Alaafin, and Alaafin not talk say nothing like that, say you don't get wife when they call Chioma. Maybe I see they feel say she see the shame. She don't want to bring the thing come out for everybody. And moreover, now know na Igbo girl now, and I say now this one be the first Igbo girl out of all the wife when they are laughing don't marry. Now she be the first Igbo girl. Maybe she know the things when people go they talk. Now make and she know want make people know. So I want make una drop una comment below at the comment section how na think and how na see. So my people now here I go hang the matter and the story for here for today. I will see you very soon for my next video when you never to take from now. I beg if you be say now your first time when you come across my channel and you never subscribe, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates, so that anytime when I throw away ogbonge gist like this, you know what they miss. And those of you will be my returning subscriber when they help me watch my video anytime when I drop them, God will bless you now. I appreciate you now so much. I will see you now very soon for my next video when you know go to take from now. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.